morning. Nice to meet you too. Welcome to Calusac Travel Agency. My name is Edgar. My friend Kevin. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm Kevin. Well, actually, we are thinking to travel next year, and we want to go to the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon has been named as one of the world's seven wonders of nature, so we are thinking going there.
Can you give us information, please?
Sure, it's a pleasure to me to explain you a little bit more about our tour to the wonderful Amazon rainforest. Um, we have a tour that lasts 2 to 6 days at Amazon jungle. Um, the tour to Rio Negro overnight in Anaconda's Lounge with chalet with a marvelous river view, swimming pools also, activities like jungle hiking, uh, canoeing, bear watching, monkey observation, alligators spotting, swimming with river pink river dolphins, piranhas, pickups, and bass fishing, spear fishing, visiting manioc, pure manioc and rubber farming, visiting also indigenous communities, um, all including accommodation in a private chalet with 3 meals daily, mineral water, and juice, and also all the excursion including only for $800.
Well, that sounds great. We actually would like to discover exotic creatures and natural wonders. We heard that the Amazon is synonymous with Brazil, and it has over 20 million of hectares of protected habitat, bursting with wildlife and adventure. So we definitely would like to go there. We also know that going to the Amazon, we will see a lot of monkeys, and we love bird watching, so definitely we love the Amazon.
Well, in fact, Amazonia is the largest, one of the largest tropical rainforests in America. Did you know that 1 in 10 species in the world lives in Amazonia?
Oh, really? That's pretty great.
This makes the Amazonian rainforest one of the largest living plants and animal species population in the world. The Amazonia rainforest lives a ton of animals, different animal species. We can tell like there are around 2.5 million insect species and around 40,000 species of birds, including also 2,200 birds and mammals.
So what do you think about this?
We are very excited to hire in your practice, so we call you later. Thank you very much.
Okay, it's a
Thank you.
pleasure to
Thank you.
attend.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Take care.
Hi guys, how are you?
Hi girls. I'm fine, a little bit busy, job. And you?
We are really excited to tell you that we are thinking to buy a tour to the Amazonas rainforest.
Excuse me, would you like to drink something?
Yeah, a cup of coffee, please.
Okay, 2 cups.
Thank you.
You should buy it because I bought it once and it was an incredible experience. We visited some magnificent places and we took a lot of photos. So I can go with you if you agree.
Yeah, of course.
And maybe we got the opportunity to go to Amazon River, the one that in 2007 a man named Martin Street. So I'm the entire length of the river, 10 hours per day for 60 days.
Wow, that sounds really dangerous.
It was. So also maybe we can visit some local tribe and know about them. And
Meridian, I think?
Yes.
Okay, here you go, your coffees.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Yeah, we are thinking to go into the Gosta waterfall. It's an incredible 771 high near to the caseríos of Cocachimba and San Pablo in the district of Barrera. To reach the pool below the waterfall, it's necessary to cross the bay that is in the rainforest. I hear that it's really exhausting, but and only an hours away from the Gokta waterfall is the Yumbila Falls. It's another attraction that is near to the town of Huisques, and it's the world's fifth tallest waterfall. So, do you think it's double in price?
No problem, it no seas.
But have you ever heard about Amazon fires?
Not really.
No, it's news, important news for the world. In this year, in Amazon rainforest wildfires increased in Brazil, Paraguay, Peru, and Bolivia, because now is tropical dry season.
Wow, can you tell us a little bit more about it?
And sure, normally people do this activity for clean some areas to make way for agriculture, livestock, logging, and mining. But this is illegal in these countries.
Well, thank you for that information. Definitely will take that into consideration for our trip.
Don't worry.
Thank you.
Hi, we
Hello.
decided to take in the tour with you.
Ah, great, that's cool. So you won't regret to travel with us. So the next step will be you fill up all the paperwork with my friend. He is the specialist of this kind of routines. So I will leave you with him.
Thank you. Well, perfect. So let's do it.
So, in order to give you our package, I will need you to sign this contract.
That's all, I think.
Yeah, that's it. So enjoy your package, your tour. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye.
Hi everyone, my name is Celeste.
I am Nancy.
Hi, I'm Jonathan.
Hi, I'm Kevin.
Edgar.
I'm Pablo.
And we are going to talk about the Amazon rainforest.
And don't forget, give us a like and subscribe in the button right here and give us some comments.
Bye.
Hi guys, how are you?
Well, a little bit busy.